Hey, I went to a website. I went to a website. What website did I go to? Blade Play. Alright, it's a cool website. And I bought some stuff. Now, you can probably tell by the boxes that it's not very expensive stuff. It's because I'm a cheap ass. Alright, let's start with the big cheap thing. What's the big? Oh, it sounds like it's got a... Oh, it's got a nylon sheath. Oh, that's fancy. This is the worst nylon sheath ever. But, you know, should have expected, because when I bought I bought this knife before, different color handles, and the price had not gone up, so it's a free sheath. Um, there's no belt loops or anything, and to be honest, I don't know if I'd trust that to go on my belt, really. Yeah. But, you know, who buys a butterfly knife for the sheath? Nobody. It's, the silver scoundrel, and I already broke it. You can see the blade's been reshaped. What happened was, mine had a bent tip, and, I decided I didn't like that. So I thought, oh, I'll take these and try to straighten it out. And it turns out that was a bad idea. And it went psh, and I said, fuck. So, about 5 minutes with a file, and I don't think it looks that bad. You can kind of see the profile, well, not the profile of the blade, but you kind of see it's got a point, although it's pretty flat, so it's kind of stab proof. And it flips good. It's Baron Sons for comparison. And it's pretty much the same, except this one's blade's a little bit shorter. When you buy yours, the blade will be longer. Just if it's got a bent blade, unless you're patient and you have a file, just live with it. I bought it because it looks cool, and I want an old school looking butterfly knife, and it makes a squeaky. And all these people doing like desktop, like on their website, on Blade Plays business, I don't want to hear like, oh, I'm not going to show you my flipping skills, because I'm not that far away from the table, and I'm doing it through the camera. Whatever. What else did I get? Oh, it's another blank box with the barcode on it. What could it be? What could it be? Give me a wallet. Yeah! It's the gray 9-inch anomaly stiletto. And it's got a safety. And it won't fire. You take the safety off and it does fire. Yeah, it's cool. I got the gray handles because they didn't have a, a white one or a black one that I like the looks of. And I wanted a neutral color. I think I might get some like sandpaper business and some paint, try to color it black. Probably not. I'm just gonna. This one will just be the first in my little stiletto collection. I had a cheap, shitty one that I got at a flea market about 10 years ago. This one feels a lot better than that one. And I could never figure out how to close them. I was walking around the flea market, like, with the blade in my pocket, like, trying to hide it. Like, ooh, I hope no one sees me with a fucking switchblade. Oh, it's open. Oh, no, what am I gonna do? Alright. So, I have a friend who I won't name because it's embarrassing, but he had trouble with a frame lock or a liner lock, so he would never be able to figure this one out. See how this is like two pieces, the guard here? On the side where the button is, it swivels. Oh, see how it swivels? And that lifts up this piece up here, and you'll notice that there's a hole in that, and there's a little titty right there. When it locks in place, that's what's going on. The titty's going in the hole. So you push on the thing, it lifts up the hole, pulls the titty out, and then you can close it. Oh, I want to break that too. Playing with it so much. It's just, it's a cool feeling. It's like, see them in movies and shit, and you're just like, yeah, now I got one too. Oh shit. And I got the regular stiletto blade, or I don't know if this is a stiletto or a bayonet blade, but I wanted one that didn't have a nail nick. Like, let's see. Oh, well, this one's better. See, that's a nail nick, and they make stilettos with nail nicks. And let's go low to high. Be able to show you one real quick. Son of a bitch. 100 per page. There we go. See? I'll like magnify. Oh, this camera doesn't like that. Yeah, it's a nail nick on a stiletto. I don't like the way that looks. Just like if you're gonna stab someone, you don't want a nail nick, because if your stiletto has a nail nick, they're gonna be like, aha, you didn't spend a lot of money. So that's definitely not like a Frank Beltram or an AKC or something. But at least with this one, you know, if I have to poke someone, they're not gonna see a nail nick. They're gonna go, oh shit. I'm a bit weird. So yeah, it's my new toys. They're nice. And just if you get one of these and it has a bent blade, just live with it. Or get a file and be really patient. I should have just yeah, so that's the end of the video. I'm gonna get this. I think this is a frost cutlery. I don't know if I've ever showed this knife. Burp. Frost family. So I guess it's the same shit. And this motherfucker is really sharp, but it's got pink handles, so I don't like carry it. Also got a pretty nasty leaf spring. Listen. Oh, she'll take off a fingertip. Eh. Oh yeah, and this one. The brown wore off, so that's weird. Oh well, whatever. I got that one, but okay. Eh. So, I'm like 80s bad guy. Wait.